Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to send a picture with text in a WhatsApp group using the PC app, thanks to the new update. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your PC. You should see your chats listed on the left side of your screen. We're looking for the group you want to send the photo to. Next, locate and click on the group chat. Once it's open, you'll notice a few icons at the bottom of the chat window. This is where the magic happens. Now, look for the attachment icon, which resembles a paperclip. Click on it, and you'll see several options. Here, choose Photos and Videos to proceed. After you select that, a file browser will pop up. Navigate through your computer's folders and find the photo you want to share. Click on the photo and then hit the Open button. As your photo is ready to go, you'll see a caption bar appear just below the photo. Here's your chance to add some context. Type in the text you want to accompany your picture, making it personal or informative. Finally, once everything looks good, simply click the Send button, and that's it. You've successfully sent a picture with text to your WhatsApp group on your PC. Remember, sharing visual content can enhance your conversations and make them more engaging. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.